as we've been also speaking about the downpour. It's been heavy rainfall, intense rainfall that has now been recorded. The IMD has also issued a red alert, and already today being a Saturday and a day where the country is celebrating Raksha Bandhan, there is parts of waterlogging, parts of areas where waterlogging has already been reported. Delhi Airport, meanwhile, has also issued an advisory to passengers as well to come before time and to check as far as your flight schedule is concerned, because several flights could be impacted because of inclement weather. There are instances of trees also falling. There are other instances of waterlogging that has been reported, but a heavy spell of rain is expected to continue. Let's get in a word from Kritika, who is joining us here on the broadcast. Kritika, already there has been overnight rain. It's still raining, I believe, behind you. If you can show us a little bit. Are there any reports of waterlogging already? And IMD, we are told, has issued a red alert for the national capital.
Well, absolutely. A red alert has in fact been issued for the entirety of the Delhi NCR region. Our video journalist Tanveer Ali will be showing you the visuals of waterlogging as of this early morning from ITO. As you can already see, there is only just one straight line where cars can pass. And as you were mentioning, it is the day of Raksha Bandhan, wherein a lot of people would want to venture out to visit their families. But what we're seeing here on a key location at ITO, in fact, there are waves that are being formed at the side of the path. People are trying to take risky, in fact, routes by the side of the footpath to go and escape the waterlogging. On our right also, clearly the entirety of the road is packed, it's completely waterlogged. Now this is the central location, in fact. On the one hand side is the route towards the Yamuna Bridge, which takes you towards Mayur Vihar, towards in fact Noida as well. And on the other hand side is where the Lutyens Delhi begins. And this is the situation as of this morning. As per the IMD, the Safdarjung station, which is considered the average for the Delhi, has recorded up to 60 millimeters of water. Remember, there is another concern which in fact arises with the level of river Yamuna itself. By yesterday only, we had seen how it had crossed the warning level of 204 meters. In fact, 206 is when the Irrigation and Control Department will be starting their evacuation. It remains to be seen what the latest update on this front is. But as of now, clearly you can see how this very packed and key route is in fact completely waterlogged till as far as we can see, right from the red light which takes you to Lutyens till the Yamuna Bridge. The entirety of this stretch is absolutely
well, it would be a test for the administration as well to avoid any areas which could be possibly waterlogged. Of course, as far as the government that has been doing its work ever since the monsoon season also began, Prerit is also connected with us. Prerit, is this situation similar to from where you are reporting from? Is there waterlogging being reported this morning?
बिल्कुल, देखिए, मैं यमुना से पहले विकास मार्ग पर मौजूद हूं और आपको तस्वीरें दिखा रहा हूं कि देखिए किस तरीके से सड़कों पे जल जमाव की स्थिति बनी हुई है। पूरी सड़क जो है वो जलमग्न हो चुकी है और कहीं ना कहीं अब ट्रैफिक पे इसका असर देखने को मिल रहा है। जिस तरीके से अब लोग घर से निकल रहे हैं, चाहे दफ्तर के लिए निकल रहे हैं या फिर रक्षाबंधन मनाने निकल रहे हैं, ऐसे में कहीं ना कहीं गाड़ियों की रफ्तार जो काफी धीमी पड़ गई है। यानी कि लोग कहीं ना कहीं बारिश का इंतजार कर रहे थे ताकि उन्हें गर्मी से राहत मिल सके, लेकिन अब कहीं ना कहीं ये जो लोगों के लिए एक समस्या की स्थिति बनी हुई है। सड़कों पर गाड़ियों की रफ्तार काफी धीमी हो चुकी है और ये सिर्फ जहां की तस्वीर मैं दिखा रहा हूं, ये तस्वीर जो है यमुना ब्रिज से ठीक पहले की है। लेकिन आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस तरह की तस्वीरें दिल्ली के अलग अलग इलाकों में है, चाहे वो गुरुग्राम जाने वाले सड़कों पे हो या फिर कनॉट प्लेस से लेडी हार्डिंग हॉस्पिटल की ओर जाने वाले सड़कों पे काफी ज्यादा जल जमाव की स्थिति बनी हुई है। ऐसे में कहीं ना कहीं अब लोगों को परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। मौसम विभाग ने कहा है कि इस तरह की स्थिति आने वाले दिनों में बनी रहेगी, यानी किसी तरीके से बारिश होती रहेगी। लेकिन बारिश का असर अब कहीं ना कहीं यमुना पे भी देखने को मिलेगा, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से बीते दिनों यमुना का जो वाटर लेवल है वह डेंजर लेवल तक पहुंच चुका था, तो कहीं ना कहीं अब जो यमुना का जो वाटर लेवल है उस पर भी उसका असर देखने को मिलेगा। बीते दिनों हथनी बैराज कुंड से भी पानी छोड़ा गया है। उसके अलावा जो ऊंचाई वाले इलाके हैं वहां से लगातार बारिश हो रही है।
दिल्ली के कई इलाकों से जो तस्वीरें आती हुई नजर आ रही है, चाहे ITO से हो, चाहे जमुना पार हो, पंचकुइया हो, हम देख रहे हैं RK पुरम से भी जो तस्वीरें आ रही है, पूरी रात से जो बारिश हो रही थी और अलर्ट, रेड अलर्ट जो साउंड करा गया है IMD की तरफ से। कृतिका एंड प्रेरित, आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। बट एज वी स्पीक ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट, दैट इज ऑल्सो इशूड एन एडवाइजरी फॉर द पैसेंजर्स देयर हु वुड बी कैचिंग देयर फ्लाइट्स दिस मॉर्निंग, एंड दे हैव नाउ बीन advised to actually take a look as far as their flight schedule is concerned because of inclement weather. Now, this is when it comes to the airports authority saying that as per the Indian Meteorological Department's forecast, Delhi is experiencing inclement weather conditions. However, all flights operation at Delhi airport are currently normal. Our on-ground teams are working diligently with all our stakeholders to ensure that your journey remains hassle-free. For the latest flight information, passengers are advised to contact their respective airlines as well. And on part of airlines, advisories too have been issued for the passengers so as to they can avoid any hassles as far as when it comes to possible delays that could happen of their flights because of the inclement weather conditions. Already IMD has sounded a red alert for Delhi NCR. We'll get you more ground reports also coming in. In the meantime, we head into a short break.